Now that we know our body is looking for energy from our food, let's talk about making healthy choices. Go ahead and get your plate sheet, and that will help you figure out what we should be putting on our plate. Different foods do different things for our body. There are 6 food groups that we're going to talk about. They are fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, dairy, and sometimes foods. If you look at your sheet, you'll see the amounts of each that we should put on our plate. Half of our plate is fruits and vegetables. Do you know why? It's because they give us so many vitamins and minerals. What about protein? Protein helps us build muscle. What about grains? They give us fiber to help clean out our intestines. Remember those? I bet you do. Now, what about calcium? Where do we get that? Calcium builds our bones. We get that from dairy. Good job. Now, what are sometimes foods? We call them sometimes foods because they don't give our body healthy energy, but we still enjoy them. So we have them sometimes. Now, take your stickers that we gave you and try to put them in the right place on your plate. Great job. Now, make a meal. Get your shopping list, write down what you want for your next meal, and ask mom or dad if you can go shopping in the house. All right, have fun, guys. Make healthy choices.